As you can see, look at the beef patty. It is so amazing. It is so thick patty. It comes with bacon and cheese also. We cut it half just to show you, but this looks really nice with pickles and lettuce and tomatoes and onions. So hi friends, welcome back to my channel Nidilicious. Today we are at Villa Caledon Inn. It's in Caledon East on Airport Road, and as you can see it's pretty busy. So we are actually here to celebrate Alia's 8th birthday. It's her birthday, so we are here to celebrate her birthday. They have amazing menu for their food and a huge menu for their cocktails also. So let's order some cocktails and some food, and we'll show you how it is. Got our drinks. I got a spicy Caesar drink. They can make it according to your choice, mild, medium or spicy. So I got it spicy. Sumit got a beer and Alia got an apple juice. So let's give it a try and see how it is. Nice and spicy and very cold. So really nice. So we got our food. We got garlic bread with cheese. We got some onion rings and we got calamari. So food looks amazing. Everything smells amazing too. So let's give it a try and see how it is. Garlic bread is pretty nice. Let's see how the onion rings are. The dip looks amazing. Very crispy and very tasty. Now Ananya is gonna try the calamari and see how it is.
The calamari is really good. It's nicely fried.
Nicely fried. And it is crisp. Nice
It's very crisp. Yeah.
So guys, with their garlic bread, they gave this really amazing sun-dried tomatoes. It is super amazing and really tasty. And tastes really good with the garlic bread. And their onion rings are so addictive and so crispy that I'm actually hooked to this. I just can't stop eating these ones. They are so nice and so crisp. Really good, guys. So good food, guys. Really nice shareables. So highly recommend. So guys, we got our food and I got the fettuccine alfredo. So I got it a little customized. It comes with mushrooms. I don't eat mushrooms since I'm allergic to it, so that's why I got it without the mushrooms. And as you can see, it looks amazing. And look at the sauce. It's really creamy and it's really amazing. So let's give it a try. Oh my god. Really creamy, really tasty. Highly recommended. If you like Alfredo, do try this one. This is like a hidden gem in Caledon East. People usually go to Bolton for the patios and stuff, but this is like a hidden gem. It's on Airport Road, as I told you before. So highly recommended this place. Do try it at this place. Ananya got the fish tacos, and look at this. It comes with a side of Caesar salad. It looks really good too. And there is a burger also with sweet potato fries, which looks amazing. So guys, as you can see, look at the beef patty. It is so amazing. It is so thick patty. It comes with bacon and cheese also. We cut it half just to show you, but this looks really nice with pickles and lettuce and tomatoes and onions. So look guys, Alia is really enjoying her fettuccine alfredo. How's it, Alia?
Really good.
Really good?
It might be better than everything on I ate.
Nice. No problem.
Yay! Sharon told me that.
Yeah, that's a surprise.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
The cake. Cut the cake.
Cut it then.
Okay, cut it. Take this one.
Happy birthday, Ali.
I'll feed you. I'll feed you.
I
It's
didn't
a
cut
really
it
nice.
properly.
It's a really nice cheesecake, guys. Good.
Really good.
Really
I
good.
like them.
Happy birthday, Alia.
Thank you.
So friends, as you can see, this place is really amazing. As you can see, the waterfall is really nice too. The ambience is really nice. The atmosphere is nice and cozy. So highly recommended. Do come at this place. This is like a hidden gem in Caledon East. Do comment at this place and let me know in the comment section how you like it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nidilicious and hit the notification button. Ching! Until next time, take care. Bye.